Over the past few parts, we've covered tools, outdoor upgrades, and lighting, but now it's time to focus on home must-haves and holiday essentials that will make your space shine. Whether you're sprucing up your living room, upgrading your kitchen, or adding festive touches, these deals are not to be missed. We've scoured Lowe's to bring you the best discounts and exclusive offers for this final round. From smart home gadgets to cozy decor, this is your chance to grab everything you need before the season ends. Stick around, take notes, and get ready to make your home brighter, smarter, and more festive than ever. Save $5 on Craftsman 14-piece gold OXD drill bit set, now $9.98. Upgrade your drilling projects with the Craftsman 14-piece gold OXD drill bit set. Coated for durability, these bits provide clean, precise holes in metal, wood, and other materials. Compact and easy to store, it's a practical addition to any toolkit for everyday repairs or professional projects. Save $5 on DEWALT Elite 100-piece bit set, now $39.98. Keep every screw and fastener in check with the DEWALT Elite 100-piece bit set. Designed for versatility, it covers a wide range of applications for home or job site use. Durable and organized in a portable case, this set ensures you'll always have the right bit when you need it. Save $5 on DEWALT Elite 40-piece drill bit set, now $19.98. Perfect for quick projects, the DEWALT Elite 40-piece drill bit set delivers high performance and precision. This includes popular sizes for everyday drilling needs. Compact and durable, it's easy to store in your workshop or toolbox and ready for all your drilling tasks. Save $60 on DEWALT 20V Max 2-tool brushless power tool combo kit, now $169. Get the DEWALT 20V Max 2-tool brushless combo kit with batteries, charger, and soft case. Brushless motors offer longer runtime, increased durability, and powerful performance. Perfect for professionals or DIYers, these tools handle drilling, fastening, and other projects efficiently with consistent precision. Save $50 on DEWALT XR 7¼ inch circular saw kit, now $329. Cut through wood and materials easily with the DEWALT XR 7¼ inch circular saw kit. Featuring a powerful motor and precision blade, it delivers smooth, accurate cuts every time. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for woodworking, framing, or any job requiring clean, reliable cuts. Save $50 on Kobalt 24V 4-tool combo kits, now $249. The Kobalt 24V 4-tool combo kit delivers a drill driver, impact driver, RO sander, and 4½ inch circular saw, plus batteries and charger, built for efficiency and versatility. Perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, this kit provides the power and portability to tackle a wide range of projects. Your choice, $99, Craftsman RP V20 drill driver or impact kit. Choose between the Craftsman RP V20 1/2-inch drill driver or 1/4-inch impact driver, each including battery, charger, and soft bag. Both tools are lightweight, durable, and powerful. Ideal for small or large projects, they deliver professional-level performance in a convenient compact package. Buy DEWALT 20V 2-pack lithium-ion battery and charger, get 3 free select DEWALT power tools. Stock up on power with this DEWALT 20V 2-pack battery and charger starter kit. For a limited time, receive 3 free select DEWALT power tools, giving you everything needed to start multiple projects. Perfect for expanding your tool collection or giving yourself extra backup batteries, this deal combines convenience and maximum value. Save up to $60 on select Craftsman tool storage. Organize your workshop with up to $60 off select Craftsman tool storage, available in multiple sizes. These chests and cabinets feature durable steel construction, smooth glide drawers, and secure storage for all your hand and power tools. Perfect for garage, shop, or home use, they keep your workspace tidy and your tools easy to access whenever you need them. Save up to $80 on select Craftsman 52-inch storage. Maximize your storage with up to $80 off select Craftsman 52-inch storage units. With multiple drawers, heavy-duty construction, and smooth casters, these cabinets keep your tools organized and accessible. Ideal for professional shops or home garages, these large storage units provide a durable solution for safely storing tools and equipment. Save $20 on DEWALT Stealth Sonic Quiet 12-gallon 5.5 HP wet-dry shop vacuum, now $129. Keep your workspace clean with DEWALT Stealth Sonic 12-gallon wet-dry shop vacuum. Ultra-quiet operation, strong suction, and a durable design make cleanup fast and easy. Perfect for both workshop and job site use, this vacuum handles wood, metal, and debris with ease while minimizing noise disruption. Save $50 on Kobalt 56-inch drawer mobile workstation, now $448. Organize and transport your tools with a Kobalt 46-inch drawer mobile workstation. With 9 drawers, durable construction, and smooth rolling casters, this workstation keeps tools secure and portable. Perfect for mechanics, DIYers, or professionals needing mobile organized storage, it ensures your tools are always within reach. Save $7 on Craftsman's 6-gallon portable electric 150 psi Pancake air compressor, now $99. Power up your air tools with its Craftsman 6-gallon portable Pancake air compressor. Compact, lightweight, and capable of 150 psi, it's perfect for inflating tires, running nail guns, or other shop projects. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the portable design makes it easy to store or move around your workspace. And that's a wrap on Part 4 of Lowe's Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals. We've shared tools, outdoor essentials, lighting, and home upgrades, and now it's time for you to put all these savings to work. Whether you're finishing a long-awaiting project or just treating yourself, there's never a better time to shop. Next, watch Part 5. Don't forget to like, comment on your favorite finds, and subscribe for more tips and savings all year long. Here's to a home that's cozy, bright, and perfectly you.